Hi gamers, in this video let's find step-by-step guide to address stuttering and FPS drops in Stalker 2. Players can implement several strategies to optimize performance. First, let's make sure that our system is met required for both minimum and maximum performance system requirements checks. Minimum requirements: Windows OS 10 or 11, processor, Intel Core i7 or AMD Ryzen 5 1600X, 16 grams B RAM memory, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1066 GB or AMD Radeon RX 588 GB. Hard drive at 160 grams B. Available space. Recommended requirements are Intel Core A or AMD Ryzen 7 5800X, 32 grams B RAM memory. Graphics: NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Ti or AMD Radeon RX 6800 XT. Ensure your system meets or exceeds these specifications to avoid performance issues. Performance optimization techniques: just game settings, lower graphics settings, reducing the texture quality, effects quality, and other graphical settings can significantly improve performance, especially on lower-end hardware. Set game priority to high. In Task Manager, right-click on Stalker R2, go to the Details tab, and set the priority to high. This allocates more CPU resources to the game. Launch options for Steam users: adding specific launch options can help mitigate stuttering. Right-click on Stalker R2 in your Steam library, select Properties, and enter the following in the Launch Options field. Close the dialog and relaunch the game. That's it for the video. Hope you got value from this.